In this video we will demonstrate the operation of diagnostic devices for the windings of electrical machines. Indicator IDO-06 is designed to control three-phase windings. It checks the winding for inter-turn short circuits without dismantling and disassembling the machine. The indicator is necessary for operational control, incoming control, for example, if a used engine is purchased, for acceptance after repair, for commissioning after long-term storage, and for final control, if you repair electric motors. When searching for short circuit turns, the device compares the currents of the two phases of the winding when an alternating voltage is applied to them with an amplitude of up to 10 volts and a frequency of up to 10 kHz. We connect the connecting cable to the phases of the winding of a working motor. We turn on the device. At the same time, it shows the integrity of the circuits of all phases of the winding. If any phase is disconnected, a dash will appear on the display instead of its letter designation. In this case, the device shows phase B failure. By pressing the Enter button, we connect the winding phases to the device in pairs. With that, the unbalance factor of the phase currents appears on the display each time. As we can see, all the values on the display are less than 10, and the green LED is on. This means that the winding is in good order. Let's check another engine. In this case, we see that the allowed unbalance factor is exceeded, meaning it is higher than 10, and the red LED is on. But we cannot yet be sure if there is a defect, because the unevenness of the air gap and rotor defects affect the value of the asymmetry coefficient. To eliminate these factors, we slowly turn the rotor, and try to achieve the minimum value of the unbalance coefficient in all three pairs of phases. In our case, it can be seen that for each pair of phases, the unbalance factor is within an allowed range and the green LED lights up. This means that the stator winding is in good order. If the green LED does not light up when the rotor is turning, then there is a defect in the stator winding. The IDO-06 device also checks the state of the frame insulation. We connect the connecting wires to one of the windings and to the motor casing, apply a constant voltage, 1000 volts, and see the insulation resistance value in megohms on the display. If this value exceeds half of a megohm, the green LED is on. If it is less, the red LED is on. Indicator IDO-07 performs all the functions of IDO-06. In addition, with the help of an induction sensor, it detects the grooves in which the coils with short circuit turns are located. Thanks to this function, IDO-07 can be used to diagnose not only three-phase windings, but also any other windings laid in slots. Positioning the induction sensor along the axis of the groove and pressing it tightly to the surface of the core, we pass through all the grooves one by one. If a coil with a short circuit turn is detected, the device gives light and sound signals.